said, yes, yes.
And he said, yeah.
Say Arvin says hi. He's just nodding, like, he stared at you and he's like, yes, yes.
Hello, Arve. Yeah.
Hello, Adrian. You can stop now. Just fight him.
Is he a good sword player?
Yeah, he's pretty good at PvP.
Because I fought him.
He came in third place in the PvP.
I did a crystal duel against him and he fucking destroyed me.
Yeah, he's very good at Crystal too. He doesn't cheat either, which is very nice.
Oh, there's the glass! There is the glass! Always happens! Nice. Oh god. He's hacking.
Ooh.
Oh. I'm hacking now.
You do what I do sometimes. When you're forgetting combo, you just glide and ride out the hit. And then try to start another combo. You don't aim for like another hit until you touch the ground, if you know what I mean?
No.
No. Okay.
I need a visual example.
If you do it again, I'll show you.
He doesn't have pants. His dick is out. He's naked.
This penis is out. I'm afraid. This penis is out.
I'm really good at armor swapping. Because you know, eggwars.
They're cool. Congrats.
Thanks.
Now remember when we were all having fun and we were ready to do like some fun, kind of sweaty bed wars, and you're like, I need to focus, and you left. And we're like, okay. That was really gay of you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying to have fun.
Like really, it's really gay. I need to focus, and you left. You're retarded.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Nice how the throat sound. But holy shit, your everything's breaking.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
Another piece of your gear's broken. Yeah, you don't have boots.
Because I took them off.
Wow, you're so cool.
Saving durability, that was my plan.
Okay. You take off your armor to save durability. POV, you haven't showered in 3 weeks.
This is the worst fucking duel stuff I've ever seen.
I agree. And then leave. Works so easy.
Adrian is really good. Good thing he's hacking.
He's not, though.
I don't know how to crit like that.
You missed one hit. You have lost.
This is 1.9 basically.
Let's pet us out. I like all the hackers that are like, Jaja, are you stupid? You can turn around. You can turn the fight around, Jaja. You just need to S-tap. Yeah, S-tap your 6-block. Fuck you, retard. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh.
Jaja.
I'm saving my durability. I'm saving my durability for marriage. Oh. Nice. I hope you clipped that. Holy shit.
Absolutely did.
Do it again, do it again. Do it again. Just kill him like that. There he goes.
I think he's pissed. I think he's pissed.
He's gonna kick your ass. He's destroying you.
Sweep attacking.
I'm a W tap.
It's hard, okay? I did it against you once.
He's like changing his tactics now.
Nice helmet.
Aggro pro, you won't.
I won't. I'm not gay.
He's saving me. He's saving his durability for a woman. Oh, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Striker.
Uh-oh.
Striker. Oh, he's fucked. He doesn't have another chest plate.
He does. Just doesn't have helmet, or he's saving durability like me. He changed his strategy. He doesn't want to get S-tapped again. I mean W tapped. That wasn't even S-tap.
I mean hack. Yeah.
I've been hacked on, yeah, where's my hitbox?
What? I remember Adrian swapped his hands before he got into fights with me, and I always thought that was him trying to toggle his kill aura. Oh!
I should probably do this.
Virgin alert! I saved my helmet this whole time. Get wrecked, nerd. I wish my friends actually liked me. You're greasy. What the fuck?
I'm greasy.
You're so scary. This is a nice aggro, bro.
I have 2 more. Oh, that was horrible.
You're greasy. Do you have more boots or no?
No.
Cool. You're gonna run out of gapples, dude. Stop. That'll be funny if Adrian wins by gapples.
Can you imagine? I would just bow spell. I have 12 arrows.
12
God.
whole arrows. Oh, your pantaloon broke, or your helmet did. Never mind.
His pantaloon broke. His PP is out.
His pantos is out. Oh, that was a nice uppercut combo. Quite cool, isn't it? Can you do like a cool admin trick?